I'm waiting here for my son. We're gonna go put that strut on that guy's door from yesterday. So he's gonna meet me over here in the parking lot and we're gonna go up there. I will get back at you on that job. I'll catch you. I have a strut on it. You can see the top panel's bent. We're gonna go ahead and add a strut to the top. There, it's all the way down.
Yeah.
Good?
Yes, that looks great.
I was gonna say, another good thing about the garage door trade is you get to get out, see people, do things, and when you're out in the real world, life happens. When you stay home or you do nothing, it's like nothing really happens. So when you go out, it seems like life is more interesting and anything can happen. It's like a perfect business for that reason alone, just to get out, go places, feel like you've accomplished something, not going out and working your butt off and being tired, but just going out and seeing people in the real world. It just feels like you live longer than sitting around, you know? So it's good to get out in the sun, drive around, make money at my age. All you guys too that are my age, I just had a guy call me, he said he was 55, and he said he had the job until he told him his age. But he was looking for a job, so he's taking our course, and he's just gonna work for himself, he said. And he sees our videos all the time, so he likes what he sees. So what I'm telling you guys, anyone can get into this business. There's no reason you guys sitting around thinking, will it work? The only way you're gonna find out, and the only way you're gonna be able to do this, forget what everyone's saying, all these negative people around you. If you wanna make money, if you wanna live an easy, good life where you have all the time in the world for yourself, go on vacations. I'll be going to Costa Rica next month, so this job allows me to do those type of things. My advice to you guys is get in this business. There's gonna be a great economy coming up here. And the people in the LA fires, you got that whole neighborhood is gonna need garage doors. And all those houses, they order the most expensive doors. So if you're in LA, just for that reason alone, I mean, those doors are $25,000 each one. All those people are gonna rebuild the houses. They're gonna be calling people just like you. And you can drive by with a sticker. You can make stickers to stick them on the new construction building. They usually call you after they got it framed up because they usually want to close off the house. So they'll do the garage door and the windows at the same time. Once you start doing one in there, they're all gonna want you to do theirs. So get in there. You'll be making a lot of money on these doors. I don't do it like the regular people running all day long doing this business. There's never a shortage of garage door repairs. Always going to be getting calls. So anybody who's watching this, you're going to be like a magnet. Once you start doing doors, they all stick to you. You're going to get so many people. We're going to show you too where to advertise and not advertise. We show you that on the course, and we kind of mentor you until you get up and running and you're making money. And even after that, you can call us any questions you have. Stop making excuses. This is a gold mine business. No one's ever going to tell you that. Anything that's good, where people are making money, they're not going to go bragging about it. They don't want other people doing it. That's why you don't hear about it. But this business is the biggest gold mine in the trades that no one's ever going to tell you or teach you how to do it. They will hire you, though, if you know how to do it. Most companies won't train you because they know you're going to quit right when you figure it out, so they don't want to be training their competitor. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.